A quiet suburban neighborhood in Texas at sunrise. Small houses and trees. Michael Carter, a 58-year-old man, driving an old pickup truck through a peaceful Texas neighborhood. Michael wearing simple clothes and leaving for work early in the morning. Neighbors looking at Michael and thinking he is an ordinary mechanic. A new family moving into the neighborhood with boxes and a moving truck. Teenager Ethan noticing Michael and his old pickup truck from his front yard. Ethan watching Michael work on his old truck with curiosity. Ethan asking Michael why he still drives an old truck. Michael smiling and saying, "This truck still works perfectly." Ethan laughing and assuming Michael doesn't have much money. A powerful storm hitting the Texas neighborhood with dark clouds and heavy rain. Neighbors looking worried about home repairs after the storm. Workers immediately repairing Michael's roof after the storm. Ethan looking surprised and asking how Michael can afford the repairs. Michael calmly saying, "I've been preparing for days like this for many years." Ethan thinking deeply about Michael's words while standing outside. Ethan visiting Michael's garage filled with tools and books. Books about investing and personal finance on a shelf inside the garage. Ethan asking Michael if he likes reading about money. Michael smiling while holding a finance book. Michael saying, "Most people try to look rich. I tried to become rich." Ethan looking confused and curious. Young Michael receiving his first paycheck years ago. Young Michael putting part of his paycheck into savings. Young Michael investing money instead of spending it. Friends buying expensive things while young Michael chooses to save money. Michael explaining that every dollar can become a worker that earns more money. Coins multiplying over time to represent compound growth. Michael opening his investment account on a computer. The computer screen showing an investment balance of over $3 million. Ethan shocked and unable to believe that Michael is a millionaire. Michael smiling calmly after revealing his wealth. Flashback of Michael investing consistently every year with calendar pages turning. Michael avoiding unnecessary debt and living simply. An expensive sports car and luxury house fading away as Michael chooses investing. Investment charts steadily rising over the years. Michael explaining that real wealth means freedom and security. Ethan listening carefully and understanding the lesson. Michael saying, "Being rich and looking rich are different things." Sunset scene with Michael giving life advice to Ethan. Michael telling Ethan to save regularly and invest patiently. Young Ethan starting his first savings account. Ethan depositing money every month into investments, calendar pages turning quickly to show passing years. 10 years later, adult Ethan checking his growing investments. Ethan smiling confidently because of his financial progress. Michael still driving his old pickup truck through the neighborhood. Neighbors continuing to think Michael is an ordinary man. Ethan looking at Michael with admiration and respect. A peaceful Texas sunset with Michael and Ethan standing together. Sometimes the wealthiest person is the one nobody notices. Real wealth is financial freedom, not showing off. Save, invest, and be patient.